In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in with a Microsoft account on Windows 11. Signing in with a Microsoft account lets you sync your settings, access OneDrive, use Microsoft Store apps, and easily move between devices. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, and I'll also explain what you're seeing on screen so you know you're in the right place. First, on your Windows 11 desktop, look down at the bottom of your screen and click on the Start button. This is the Windows icon in the center or left side of your taskbar. When the Start menu opens, look for the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Click on that to open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on Accounts. This is where Windows manages everything related to your sign-in details, your Microsoft account, and other user information. Inside the Accounts section, look for an option related to your account type. On many systems, you'll see something like Your Info, or an option prompting you to sign in with a Microsoft account instead. If you're currently using a local account, Windows will usually show a button that says, Sign in with a Microsoft account. Go ahead and click that. A sign-in window will appear, asking for your Microsoft account email, phone, or Skype. This is the same account you use for Outlook, Office, Xbox, or OneDrive. Carefully type your Microsoft account email address, then click Next. On the next screen, enter your password. Take a moment to make sure everything is typed correctly. Then click Sign In. Depending on your security settings, Microsoft might ask you to verify your identity. You might be prompted to enter a code sent to your email, phone, or authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions, enter the code you receive, and continue. Next, Windows may ask if you want to use this Microsoft account for all your apps and services. In most cases, it's a good idea to accept, because it simplifies sign-ins and keeps your settings in sync across devices. Finally, Windows will take a moment to switch your account over and apply your settings. Once it's done, you'll see your Microsoft account information displayed under the Accounts section, confirming that you're now signed in with your Microsoft account on Windows 11.